Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report for Joshua in Ohio on this Ranger 69FFB4. Joshua, you selected the rush order option, which immediately puts you to get your radio tuned immediately. It will go out the next day. It will be shipped UPS air. We've also got a striker antenna for you that's going to be going out as well. If you're interested in that rush order option, if you need something really fast, you have no way around to waiting that 10 to 15 build time days, that option is out there for you. It is on the custom order screen, as well as most of the time it's a customer's most purchased items listed for the particular radio when you pull it up. Let's just get right to it. First of all, let me go over here to sideband, show you. Got your high cut filter. I don't know if you can hear that or not. You got your amp on off switch back there in the back as well. Alright, so let's just, I'll go ahead and show you what it's doing on sideband. We got the 1000 watt slug here. Now with the Truckerized tune on this, you get the Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic cap upgrade, obviously the tune and alignment, all my audio mods, ERF 2030 plus, MOSFET upgrades, the whole kit and caboodle. Okay, 1000 watt slug. About 590. Look at about 590 right there. Let's go over here to AM mode. Start with RF power all the way down. 500 watt slug. Good set. And what is that? About 20 watts, 15-20 watts, just in case I'd run an amp. About 170 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. At 280. 1000 watt slug and PEP. Hello. About 630. Alright, Joshua, it's ready to come to you, bud. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoy it. You'll get tracking as soon as they scan the package tomorrow, and it'll be on its way. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.